Nintendo has confirmed that its upcoming console, the Nintendo Switch 2, will be fully backward compatible with existing Nintendo Switch games. This significant announcement ensures that gamers can seamlessly transition to the new system without rebuilding their game library. The backward compatibility feature eliminates the need to repurchase existing games, allowing instant access to the entire Switch game library. This move is a major advantage for Nintendo Switch owners, preserving their investment in games and enabling a hassle-free upgrade. With the Switch 2, gamers can enjoy enhanced performance, new features, and innovative experiences while continuing to play their favorite titles. Nintendo's commitment to backward compatibility demonstrates its dedication to customer satisfaction and gaming continuity. As the Switch 2 launch approaches, gamers can look forward to an uninterrupted gaming experience, exploring new possibilities while cherishing their existing game collection. Nintendo has confirmed the development of the Switch 2, but key details remain under wraps. The company has not disclosed the release date, price, technical specifications, hardware upgrades, or exclusive features of the upcoming console. However, Nintendo has assured gamers that additional information will be shared in due course. Industry insiders anticipate the Nintendo Switch 2 will hit stores before March 31, 2025. This timeline aligns with Nintendo's typical product cycle and strategic positioning for the next-generation gaming market. Rumored upgrades include enhanced processing power, improved display technology, increased storage capacity, advanced controller features, and expanded online capabilities. As the release date approaches, Nintendo is expected to unveil comprehensive details about the Switch 2. Gamers and industry experts eagerly await further announcements, speculating about the console's potential and how it will shape the gaming landscape. Nintendo's fiscal year, which concludes on March 31st, provides a guideline for the anticipated release of the Nintendo Switch 2. Analysts predict the console will debut before this cutoff, aligning with Nintendo's financial cycle. The Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to boast significant performance upgrades compared to its predecessor. Enhanced processing power will ensure smoother gameplay, while increased memory will enable seamless multitasking. Upgraded graphics capabilities will deliver vivid visuals, and optimized battery life will extend gaming sessions. These advancements promise a more immersive gaming experience, supporting demanding titles and facilitating complex game development. By releasing the Switch 2 before March 31st, Nintendo aims to drive revenue growth and solidify its market position. As the launch approaches, gamers can expect detailed specifications, feature announcements, and a clearer understanding of the console's capabilities. The Nintendo Switch 2, as a next-generation console, promises substantial hardware upgrades. At its core, the new console is expected to feature a more powerful processor and an advanced graphics card. These enhancements will enable the Switch 2 to run games at higher resolutions, such as 4K or QHD, and increased frame rates, reaching 60 FPS or higher. The boosted processing power will also deliver faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and increased game complexity. Enhanced graphics quality will include improved textures, lighting, and effects, providing an immersive gaming experience. By incorporating cutting-edge hardware, the Nintendo Switch 2 sets a new standard for handheld and home console gaming. The upgraded capabilities will unlock new possibilities for game developers, enabling the creation of visually stunning and engaging titles that showcase the console's potential. The recent video reveals promising developments surrounding the Nintendo Switch 2, showcasing the company's dedication to its success. Nintendo is prioritizing seamless integration with the existing Switch ecosystem, ensuring backward compatibility with existing games, compatibility with current accessories and peripherals, and a streamlined transition for users upgrading from the original Switch. This strategic approach preserves game libraries and saved data, supports continued online play and community engagement, and fosters a unified user experience across devices. By embracing compatibility and continuity, Nintendo demonstrates its focus on customer satisfaction and loyalty, long-term platform growth, and innovative gaming experiences. The Nintendo Switch 2's harmonious integration with the existing ecosystem positions it for success, catering to both new and existing users. As details unfold, gamers can anticipate an enhanced gaming experience that builds upon the original Switch's foundation, solidifying Nintendo's reputation as a leader in the gaming industry.